Want to turn your home into a smarter, more effortless space? These Amazon gadgets are making waves for a reason. They simplify chores, organize chaos, and bring a touch of fun to everyday life. From clever kitchen helpers to must-have living room gadgets, they're designed to make your life easier. Check out all the products linked in the description below. Never guess if the water is too hot or too cold again. This digital shower thermometer shows the temperature in real time on a bright LED display. You can switch between Celsius and Fahrenheit, and the 360-degree rotating screen makes it easy to read from any angle. Built-in hydropower means no batteries are needed, and it shuts off automatically when water stops. Printing on the go just got a lot easier. This pocket-sized thermal printer connects to your phone via Bluetooth, letting you print photos, notes, QR codes, or lists instantly. No ink is needed. The high-resolution thermal printing keeps everything sharp and clear. It runs on a built-in battery for hours, so you can take it anywhere. Lightweight, compact, and easy to use, it turns your phone into a portable printing powerhouse. Say goodbye to touching dirty lids. This automatic trash can open with a wave of your hand thanks to its motion sensor. The lid stays open while you need it and closes automatically when you're done. Water-resistant and sturdy, it handles humid bathrooms or kitchens with ease. Its sleek, slim design fits anywhere, and the hidden bag liner keeps everything neat and tidy without slipping. Tired of spills and flimsy straws? These colorful silicone soda can lid snap onto most cans to keep your drinks safe and fresh. Each lid comes with a reusable straw so you can sip easily anywhere, home, office, or outdoors. Made from durable, dishwasher-safe materials, they're eco-friendly and built to last. The airtight seal stops leaks, and the bright colors help you spot your drink in a crowd. Imagine the ultimate cozy combo. The warmth of your softest blanket mixed with the comfort of your favorite hoodie. Now supersize it. Giant hoodie loungers are oversized, cocoon-like hoodies you can literally sink into, like wearing a whole couch. They wrap around you with cushiony comfort, creating a personal relaxation zone perfect for movies, gaming, reading, or just unwinding. It's the closest thing to climbing into your own portable comfy cloud. Carrying heavy loads just got a whole lot easier. These heavy-duty grips let you hold multiple buckets, paint cans, groceries, or even propane tanks in one trip. Each grip supports up to 100 pounds, saving your hands and wrists from strain. The durable design is built to last and fits most handles comfortably. With a lifetime replacement warranty, you can tackle chores with confidence and zero hassle. Why settle for a regular lamp when you can have 4 gadgets in one? This smart LED lamp works as a nightlight, Bluetooth speaker, alarm clock, and wireless charger. You can control the colors and brightness with an app or voice, creating the perfect vibe for work or relaxation. Gentle nature sounds help you unwind, and the sunrise alarm wakes you up naturally. Sleek, functional, and versatile, it's the ultimate bedside companion. Say goodbye to fuzz and pills in seconds. This rechargeable fabric shaver quickly trims lint from sweaters, blankets, furniture, and more. The 6-leaf stainless steel blades work safely thanks to a protective honeycomb mesh, keeping your fabrics intact. A digital screen shows power and speed, while the large removable container holds all the fuzz. Keep your gloves ready when you need them most. This wall-mounted dispenser holds up to 100 gloves and makes grabbing one effortless. Its ergonomic design keeps your workspace clean and organized while preventing contamination. Quick to install on walls or metal surfaces, it's perfect for kitchens, restaurants, or home use. Compact and practical, it streamlines your routine and keeps protective gloves within easy reach. Cleaning just got futuristic. This robot vacuum and mop doesn't just sweep, it thinks. With an ultra-slim design, it slides under furniture and corners with ease, leaving nothing behind. Its mechanical Omni-Grip arm moves obstacles, lifts small items, and even tidies up things like socks or tissues. Powerful suction and hot water mopping blast away dirt, while smart AI navigation avoids obstacles and maps your home for total coverage. Your morning just got a lot easier. This single-serve coffee maker brews both K-cups and ground coffee, so you can enjoy your favorite flavors without hassle. One button starts the process, and in just 2 minutes, you've got a steaming cup of coffee or tea. Choose your brew size from small to large, and the stable heating system keeps every cup perfectly hot. Compact and stylish, it fits anywhere: your kitchen, office, dorm, or RV. Say hello to your new favorite conversation starter. This 3D printed turtle coaster isn't just cute, it's interactive. Place a cup on its back and watch the turtle's head and limbs pop up in surprise. Made from durable, heat-resistant plastic, it protects your surfaces from spills and heat while adding playful charm. The textured shell looks just like a real turtle, and the rainbow option gives each piece a unique twist. A messy bathroom counter doesn't stand a chance against this smart organizer. It's a wall-mounted toothbrush station that sanitizes your brushes with UV light, keeping them fresh and ready every time you use them. You also get a built-in toothpaste dispenser and 2 rinse cups, so everything you need is right in one spot. The simple touch controls make it easy, and it runs automatic cleaning cycles on its own. Your phone shouldn't wobble like a bobblehead every time you hit a bump. This magnetic car mount locks onto your device with a super strong hold, keeping it steady while you drive. You can tilt it, rotate it, and angle it however you like thanks to its flexible folding arm. The suction base grips your dashboard firmly, using a sticky gel pad that won't damage surfaces. Time shouldn't just tick, it should put on a show. This retro flip clock turns every minute into a tiny motion as the number cards flip down one by one. You get clear, bold digits you can read from across the room, plus an AM/PM marker that keeps you on track. It runs on a simple battery, so you can place it anywhere without wires. Set it on a desk, shelf, or counter, and give your space a classic touch that never gets old. Your porch deserves lighting that works smarter, not harder. These solar wall sconces charge during the day and switch on automatically at night, giving you hands-free glow right when you need it. You can choose between 3 motion modes, from gentle dim lighting to a bright flash when someone walks by. The weatherproof build keeps them shining through rain or heat without fuss. Snacks just got way easier to share. This divided serving tray keeps everything neatly separated, so you can load it up with fruits, nuts, candy, or whatever treat you're bringing along. The clear lid snaps on tight, and the built-in handle makes it super simple to carry from kitchen to picnic table. It's lightweight, reusable, and perfect for parties or family nights. Pack it, close it, and you've got a grab-and-go snack box everyone will love. Wrinkled clothes on a trip can ruin your morning fast. This compact travel steamer heats up almost instantly, giving you smooth, fresh-looking outfits in just seconds. You can switch between multiple steam levels on the LCD screen, so every fabric gets the right treatment. The handle flips and rotates, helping you reach tricky spots without strain. Toss it in your bag, plug it in, and keep your clothes looking crisp wherever you go. Scrubbing the toilet is nobody's favorite job, but this disposable brush kit makes it quick, clean, and way less gross. You just snap on a fresh cleaning head, give the bowl a good scrub, and toss it out when you're done. No dripping, no mess. The handle keeps your hands far from the dirty water, and the holder neatly stores the refill heads for next time. It's a simple, hygienic upgrade that makes bathroom upkeep much easier. If you love staying cool without dragging a bulky fan around, this compact rechargeable fan is a game changer. It folds down small enough for a desk, but extends tall enough to work as a floor fan, giving you airflow wherever you need it. The quiet motor keeps things calm, and the multiple speed options let you choose exactly how much breeze you want. Perfect for bedrooms, road trips, camping, or anywhere you need instant comfort. If your kid's room is overflowing with plush toys, this storage beanbag cover is such a fun way to clean things up. It looks like a big, cuddly black cat, and once it's filled, it turns into a super comfy seat they'll actually want to use. The soft fabric, sturdy zipper, and easy carry handle make it practical, while the playful design keeps it feeling special. A cute upgrade for any cozy corner. Tired of soggy sandwiches or mixed-up meals? This insulated lunchbox set keeps your food fresh and at the right temperature for hours. With separate stackable containers, you can pack different dishes without flavors mixing, and the leak-proof lids make it worry-free to carry anywhere. It even comes with a cutlery set and a thermal bag for easy transport. Perfect for work, school, camping, or any on-the-go meal. Give your feet the spa treatment they deserve with this rabbit-shaped shower scrubber. Its soft silicone bristles massage and clean every corner, even between your toes, while tough calluses get smoothed away. The strong suction cups keep it firmly in place on smooth surfaces, so you can scrub without slipping. Easy to rinse and quick to dry, it's hygienic and low maintenance. Turn any room into a mini home theater with this ultra-portable smart projector. Stream your favorite shows directly with built-in apps, or wirelessly mirror your phone, tablet, or laptop. Its 180-degree rotatable design and auto keystone make ceiling or wall projection a breeze, while HDMI and USB support let you connect game consoles or TV sticks. Compact, lightweight, and easy to carry, it's perfect for dorms, travel, or cozy movie nights anywhere. Keep mosquitoes at bay with this compact and portable zapper. Designed for indoor and outdoor use, it runs quietly while covering areas from 20 to 100 square meters, making it perfect for bedrooms, patios, camping, or picnics. USB rechargeable and energy efficient, it can last 8 to 10 hours without being plugged in. Lightweight and easy to hang, it's a simple way to enjoy a mosquito-free, peaceful environment wherever you are. Thanks for watching! Don't forget to subscribe and check out these next videos for more incredible finds and clever solutions for your home. See you in the next one.